back to my channel, everyone. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get this Northern Lights inspired look. It's a lot of green and a lot of purple and some really pretty glitter and lashes, and of course a bold vampy lip to kind of mimic the night sky. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and if you do, make sure you subscribe and hit the little bell. Before you go, leave me a like and a comment. I love hearing from y'all, even though YouTube never shows me my comments. But I try to get back to them at least every month. I try and answer comments. So yeah, if you like what I'm doing, let me know down below, and let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is go in with a white base. This is my NYX base. You guys are probably familiar if you've seen any of my videos beyond like a couple weeks ago. So we're just going to put this all over the eyelid. And I take it all the way up to the brow bone, kind of serves as a brow bone highlight a little bit. I'm going to go into this NYX eyeshadow. This is Ultra Violet and is a matte purple. And I'm going to use an eye contouring brush, and we're going to dip in here and start working on our crease. So I'm just taking it right to the bone and bringing it all the way across. Now this can be messy because we're going to blend it out and kind of work around this color, but for now, you know, just kind of lay it down and get a guideline. So now that we have this laid down, I'm going to blend it out using my trusty Delium Tools blending brush. Taking a flat brush, I'm going to go in with Soya from Tokidoki. Any neon green will do. This just happens to be my favorite, and I'm going to pack this on the eyelid. And as you pack, it'll kind of blend with that purple and create that really pretty Northern Lights sky kind of colors blending together effect that I want this to mimic. Now I'm going to throw on some gel liner. This is the NYX gel. And we're just going to do a simple liner here so we don't cover up too much of that gorgeous green. So I threw my mascara and lashes on as well. These are the Ardell 174s, and I really like these lashes with the Bad Gal Bang mascara. So now to highlight my brow bone, I'm going to use a Squash pigment, and this is from, I don't remember where I got this from. I got it at IMATS, and it doesn't say. So it says cosmetic glitter, but it's really more of a pigment, but it comes out in this little sifter, and it's like this Tinkerbell green that I just spilled all over myself. So I am just going to take a little bit of this and put it on the brow bone. A little bit underneath the liner on each side. Contour and highlight, I'm just going to use my usual Wet n Wild little contour here, an e.l.f. brush. So I'm not going to do any other blush or highlight beyond that because I want this all to be on the eyes and the lips, which I am using Alien from NYX, and this is a black liquid matte lipstick. To finish this look off, I'm going to take Bewitched by Wet n Wild, and it is on their metallic liquid catsuit lipsticks, but it's this really pretty purple. And we're just going to put a little bit in the center. So that is the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed my Northern Lights look, and I hopefully will see you guys in the next one. Bye.